Hi, I'm Graham and welcome to the GT Woodshop. I'm very excited, Graham, because the veneer for my cabinet doors has finally arrived. It's here in the box and I've got to show you. There's nothing else going on in this video apart from opening the box with the veneer in it. I'm a little excited. Not only did I order the maple, but when my wife and I were looking at the veneer, we saw another one that we liked. I'm being super careful. But I can't remember what the other one is. Vintage cherry wood and bird's eye maple. I'll bring you to the end of the bench so you get a better view. Don't go away. You ready for this? Massive drum roll. Don't have any drum roll sound effects. I'll do one. Oh my God. Are you getting this? Oh wow. Oh wow. This is the biggest piece of veneer I've seen in my life. Holy moly. Sorry, I hope I didn't offend anybody by what I said just now. Look at this. I want to try and get that piece back up here and supported. Oh, what do I do? Do I use the maple or the cherry? The cherry is exquisite. If I book match that, it's going to look absolutely stunning. That is unbelievably beautiful. See if I can zoom you in. I hope the camera refocused itself. Oh, decisions. Decisions. What do you think? Answers on a postcard. Please leave me some comments. What do I do? The world of veneers has just opened up in front of me. The possibilities to make beautiful pieces of furniture are endless. Do you know, I'm inclined to say that because this will be my first time veneering, I should go with the maple because it won't require a joint. And with the maple, it will make the whole thing much easier. I've bought enough of both to do all three doors, front and back. I'm as giddy as schoolboy. Well, that was it. I've nothing else to say. I might go and have a glass of bourbon. Let me know in the comments below which you prefer, the cherry or the maple. I think I like the maple. Thanks for watching and see you in part 4, the making of the doors. Ta-ra!